Machine learning or AI algorithms just make data useful. That's literally all it does.
Let's pass on the mic. Musical chair. The mic. So I'm Naomi. I'm the South African chair for Women in Big Data. We're part of a global community of women, 14,000 of us, and I chair the South African chapter, which we launched last November. And we're trying to get more and more women involved in the stuff that we do.
Hi, I'm Jason Naiker. I'm the head of data science for Africa and the Middle East for Nielsen.
I'm Kerith Botha. I'm the managing director of the South African business for Nielsen.
Hi guys, my name is Maya. I'm the HR director for Nielsen Sub-Saharan Africa.
Hi everyone, my name is Junaid. I'm the head of operations for Nielsen for Sub-Saharan Africa.
Machine learning or AI algorithms just make data useful. That's literally all it does. If you've used a calculator, conceptually there's no difference to machine learning or an AI algorithm. You're putting information in, it's doing something, and you're getting information out. We use high-res maps, which we apply a neural net to. So those of you who don't know what a neural net is, basically we will show you lots and lots and lots of pictures to the program. The program looks at different gradients of color on the pictures, and you sit as a human, you say, this is a face, that's not a face. This is a face, that's not a face. And eventually, the program learns how to automatically recognize faces in pictures. This is how facial recognition works. It works by putting in tons and tons of information into the program so it learns. What we do is we use high-res maps. And we put in lots and lots of high-res maps, which have settlements and some that don't have settlements. And what the machine learning, what the neural net learns is areas where there are rivers, where there are roads, where there are no mountains, are probably going to have settlements and probably going to have stores. Which is an automatic way for us to inform Zunaid's team, who will go out and collect information, whether an area will actually have stores or not, or if we're going to waste our time by going there. So it makes it very, very, very quick for us. Now, what is important about this is that the data going in is critical. If the data is wrong, the results will be wrong.
Right? So it's very much about the analytical fields, so the science, technology, the maths, engineering, right? And the content of those fields will change all the time. What's important about those disciplines is that it teaches your mind to work in an analytical way. It teaches you how to integrate information in a certain way. So ultimately the sciences, the maths, the engineering, the tech fields, as well as data science, obviously, right? And the social sciences, yes, all actually prep you. And then once you've gotten past the academic disciplines, it really is about your own drive, your own ability to make the right connections, and your own will to finally determine where you land up, right?
I just wanted to add to that. We always forget the A in STEM, and it's actually STEAM, so it's the arts. So the creative economy is going to also be very impactful in how we deliver VR, AR technology. And most people actually don't know this, that Mark Zuckerberg majored in psychology and computer science, and that's why he was able to found a social network as a business.
I'm going to add to that. So you don't know, we've got a lot of psychologists in our departments actually, not just the mathematicians. So we employ psychologists as well, because it's about understanding people and what drives people to make certain decisions.
I just want everyone to put up their front camera on. Put up your front camera on. Well, you guys don't have your phones, so it's fine. Put your front-facing camera on, put it to your face, and there's a triangle, there's a rectangle. You see it, right? You guys see that? Every time you, on your selfie mode, sorry, every time you take a picture, your camera teaches itself your face, the shape of your face, right? But did you know that we now have AI cameras that cannot tell that this is an African person? We have AI cameras that can only detect white people. It's not because white people who developed those cameras are racist. It's because they were using data sets that did not have that face. And that's why phone companies started now putting in that technology to help build this data set of African faces, right? But now the problem is that the people who are working within the data science field, most of them, majority of them are white males. Again, they come up with algorithms, models that are biased because they are not coming from a diverse group. So we need African people, women, men,